Hello everyone, my name is Asis Wasim. I just want to share how you can purchase a domain from Gohighlevel instead of you using third party like GoDaddy.com, or you have issue with your DNS record. So this will help you, let you have minimum issue, or reduce stress from you when you are trying to face issue of DNS record setup. So now you can use that DNS record for your email to not go into spam, or from your website that you have. So from your agency, they must have ability to click on the button for you to purchase. So if you are using Gohighlevel or you are using CRM like Gohighlevel, if they have access to something like this, so and you don't have agency access, tell your agency access to go and on the button for purchase domain, so that you can have ability to purchase the domain inside your sub account. Now when the person go to setting inside the agency, then go to company, then after going to the company, the person will scroll down, it will see the purchase domain button. Then once the person click on the button, purchase domain button, then you as a sub account will have access to purchase a domain. Then you can go to sub account straight away in any sub account that you want to use. Then after then going to domain, going to setting, then domain, go to domain, then this is it. So you will see the button of purchase a domain. Then after click the purchase a domain, so you can write a domain that you want to purchase, then search. So you can buy anyone you want to buy. So after you buy, you will wait for like 5 minutes, so your domain will active. Then after the domain is active, you want to use it for your website, copy this domain, then add domain. Click on add domain, then click the domain, then click it like this, then this. Then you will see something like this. If you want to use www or you don't want to use it, in our business we don't want to use it, then click continue. So automatically, since that you have bought the domain from Gohighlevel, they will automatically record the ADRS, the DNS record for you. Actually, if you want to record it for yourself, this is it. But if you don't want to record it by yourself, click record. It will automatically record. So after you click record, your domain will live like this, will live. So after the domain is live, so you can be able to, you can see that the a record is already created. So after it's live, you can pick it to any website you want to use it for. Now for the email service provider, now you will need to go to that email service provider. Since that you have already copied your domain, just what you need is go to email service, then you must use lead connector. Go to dedicated domain, then this is what we use, but you must add domain. This add domain, then info or anything that you want to use dot, don't use at, is a info dot your domain, then click verify. It will bring something like this. You know that it is already verified. If it is not verified, it will bring something like for you to verify. Use it, the same thing that we did it to add domain. Then if it is add domain, add record, it will automatically add the record inside your uh, domain that you purchase from Gohighlevel. So after then, you must set the header. So to set it, let us know that it is already there. To set the header, click on the three dots, you see set headers. Now the set header will be your name, which is domain name that you purchase. This is the domain name. Now inside of from email will be info at your domain name. This one will be at, this one is dot info dot your domain name, which this why this one is info at domain name. Then after setting the header, come to domain configuration. Now pick the domain name here. Is the domain name. So after you pick everything, pick the domain name here. You see that it is set configure configuration is successful. So pick everything here. You can use it for bulk email, bulk domain, or everything. Pick everything here. It will automatically successful. You can go ahead and test your email. You can go ahead and test your email. So that's how you will do your purchase your domain and use it for each sub account you have. Thank you so much. I really remain your Gohighlevel expert specialist, Assis Wasil.